Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to open device manager in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to open it in 7 ways guys. So you can tap the Windows key and the X key on the keyboard at the same time. You can select device manager, close it off here, and you can also right click on the start icon and select device manager and close it off here. Now go to search menu and now type hd www.iez.cpl. This is the shortcut of device manager guys. Click on open it. You can open it like this, and you can also search for control panel. Click on open it. View by two large icons and select device manager over here. Close it up here, and you can also right click on the start icon and select settings. And now you just need to select the system over here, and you just need to scroll down, select about, and now scroll down. Under related, select device manager. And one last final thing, to open device manager, right click on the taskbar and select task manager, select run new task, and now in here you just need to type devmgmt.msc. Click on OK. It will be open up device manager. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.